we on trucker time over here at Love's, and this is Phoenix, Arizona. As I'm coming in, I see two dudes running out with some, I don't know, some items, electronics, and next thing you know, they call the cops. I don't know what's going on right now in America, but for my truckers out here, be safe, you know? People out here hungry. I don't know what's going on right now. Just want to give y'all a quick update. I guess the case went unsolved, but remember to keep your doors locked, because people hungry. Okay, again, we here at the Love's truck stop in Phoenix, Arizona. I'll put up the link.